In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to your Gumroad account, a process that's straightforward and quick. So, let's dive right in. First things first, once you're logged into your Gumroad account, direct your attention to the dashboard. Here, you'll notice a menu option that says Products. Clicking on this will not only allow you to see your current lineup of offerings, but also gives you the chance to add new ones. Here's where the magic begins, as you'll spot a button labeled New Product. That's our next step. Clicking this New Product button will kick off the creation process for whatever fantastic item you're looking to sell. At this initial stage, you will be prompted to enter a name for your product. Consider a name that's both catchy and descriptive, resonating well with your intended audience. Then, Gumroad will ask you the type of product you're looking to add. If you are offering something like an ebook, an online course, or any digital service, make sure to choose Digital Product. Selecting the correct type is crucial since it determines how transactions for your product are processed. Next up, it's time to set the financial details for your product. This starts with selecting the currency in which you'll price your product. So think about where most of your customer base is located to make an informed choice. Enter the price for your item, being mindful to set it at a level that's both competitive and accurately reflects the value of what you're offering. Once you've ironed out these details, it's time to move forward by finding and clicking the Customize button. Here, you have the opportunity to really fine-tune your product details. Craft a compelling description. This is your chance to showcase your product's features and benefits, providing all the pertinent information potential buyers might need to know. Additionally, you can include a custom URL. This helps with direct navigation and can play a key role in aligning with your brand. On the visual side, click the Upload Images or Videos option to add a cover for your product. A quality visual is vital as it dramatically enhances your product's appeal, so make sure it is as enticing and relevant as possible. Next, give your attention to the product info sections. Fill these in thoroughly. They could range from technical specifics to important usage instructions. After you've ensured everything is in place, press that Save and Continue button to make sure all your efforts are saved and not lost. As you move ahead, there is a chance to add even more content if you choose. This could be anything from supplemental files to additional special instructions that might assist your customers. Finally, with everything reviewed and set to go, you're ready for the most exciting part, launching your product for the world to see. Hit that Publish and Continue button to make it live. Congratulations, your product is now available on Gumroad and ready for eager customers to purchase. Thank you for following along, and here's to happy selling on Gumroad.